Do you want to know what are the Chinese words on the tools you use for work? Are you curious to know? If you do, follow me until the end of the video. Okay, let's start with the first words. Computer, 电脑. For example, I always use computer for my work. 我一直用电脑工作. I like the computer that we have in the office. 我喜欢我们办公室的电脑. My computer I'm using is slow. I need to buy a new one. 我的电脑很慢，我要买新的。Mobile phone, 手机. I just bought a new mobile phone. 我刚买了一个新手机。Camera, 相机. The camera you are using is not so clear. 你用的这个相机不清楚。Earphones, 耳机. I like the sounds of Apple earphones. 我喜欢苹果耳机的音质。Can you imagine yourself using those new words that you just learned in your conversations and how it can make you better in Chinese? If you do, lean in and watch until the end because there are still more to come. Microphone, 麦克风. Your microphone voice is so clear. 你麦克风的声音很清楚。File, 文件夹. I recognized our files for our presentations this Friday. 我整理了周五的演讲文件。Okay, so what have you learned? If our video has helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any video topics you want to watch in our upcoming videos, leave your comment below because we will create for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. And if you think the video can benefit to someone, please share our video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye.